Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger and this is the Disney Stranger family.
Hey!
Hey guys, and guess what? We are hungry. Are we hungry?
Yes!
We're very hungry. Yes. So a few weeks ago, actually about a month ago, I happened to stumble upon this place, World Food Trucks. And right behind me is a group of about 40 or 50 food trucks right through that corridor behind me. It's amazing how many food trucks they have here. Does anyone have a preference of what kind of food they want to eat today? Maybe some tacos or some empanadas, some pizza, pina coladas, yeah, pina coladas, anything. You name it, they got it back there for World Food Truck. World Food Truck is right across the street from Old Town. Old Town is right behind me, and the amusement attractions that are right out front are right there. So come with us as we...
Don't forget the big flea market too, for those who want to shop after you eat or before.
That's right around the corner there's a flea market right there. It's really close to Animal Kingdom. So if you guys are staying at the lodge over there and you need a little break and you needed some food trucks, you got a food truck craving, come over here right across the street from Old Town. Are you ready, guys? Let's head in and check out what they got to offer at these food trucks.
Hey, hope you guys enjoy.
You guys have a good time? You got some good food?
You guys gotta go across the street. It's more fun over there.
All right, we'll see you over there. Come with us. What is that?
Avocado!
What is it?
Free shabakadoo.
What? Hello guys, what did you get to eat for lunch?
Got a big hamburger and French fries and a nice Coke.
And a crab cake, French fries, and Sprite. Sounds delicious.
Looks delicious too. Look at that.
Isn't that pretty?
That's very pretty.
And the rolls are red.
Yeah, the rolls
There's
are
this
red.
planet.
Yep.
Which place did you get this at?
Right there.
Yeah.
That burger.
That's the crab cake.
All right.
So one's crab cake and one's hamburger. Did you see the Baby Yoda and Baby Groot kids meal?
How's it going?
like to say there are so many choices, right? How can one decide? So I got my parents' sliders. I think they are happy with that. And we are waiting for our order of empanadas.
What'd you get?
I got an empanada.
An avocado?
No,
No?
an empanada.
An avocado?
We're about to get it.
So the chicken empanada right here. Should be in the beginning of the few minutes.
How about the pina colada?
This one right now.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Got empanada.
Yum. And you know who this is for? My mom's stranger.
Look what you're getting.
Look what my mom's stranger's getting. Woohoo!
Oh, yummy.
Right to buy it too.
Thank you.
You hate those things, don't you?
Love them. I'll eat the cherry right now. That comes first.
Blow away.
So, T-Stranger, what do we have here?
Tres pollo tacos.
All right, we got some tacos, and you're gonna share them with me, right? Because it's Disney
your own.
Stranger. Oh, I have my own?
Yeah.
You're gonna share those with me. Disney Stranger loves tacos. That's the Disney Stranger's jam, tacos.
Yeah.
But here's mine though, right?
Oh, you're gonna do.
That's great. Look at that. How's that pina colada?
Heavenly. Here, Pop, try some. Oh, it's refreshing.
So if you come at night, this place is really jamming and really, really crowded. There are tons and tons of people here. And it's like a party scene. It's a really cool scene. People hang out, people eat their food, people eat and have fun. So come here and check out the World Food Trucks and you'll have a great world of fun. Okay, what do you got? Disney?
I got an empanada,
Just any old empanada?
chicken. I also got shrimp. Well, I don't know what it is.
Well, how's it taste?
It's chicken. It's really good. Delicious. I got 2 chicken and 1 shrimp, but I don't think I'm gonna get to eat all of them.
All right, I'm gonna try my taco. It's gonna be good. It looks great. The taco looks crisp.
What did you get? Nothing?
Why not one of those?
Corn tortilla is amazing. It is so good. The chicken is fresh. There's no fatty bits in it. Really good. Love the taco.
What did you get, Mrs. Stranger?
It's like an empanada, but it's crab. Hot out of the fryer, so I cannot even try it yet. I want to let it cool down. But I will say it did take a long time. Oh, yum. This is the crab something or other. But it's very good. It has the crab. It was well worth the wait.
Oh my goodness, it's starting to rain. It's starting to drizzle here and I see some thunderstorm clouds in the back and some lightning. So I gotta hurry back and get the car before we all get wet.
We got a Kit Kat frappes. And it's 2 strawberries, Kit Kat, a cupcake, and the shake.
A shake, yeah.
I'm gonna try it. Try it. Is it good?
It's weird.
Let me try it.
Good.
Oh yeah. It's not like
Right?
yeah.
It's like
Weird in what way?
Like it's not really a shake.
watery.
Yeah, it's not as thick. It's
Yeah, it's like thinner.
Yeah.
It's not as thick as a milkshake.
Yeah, but it's really good.
Yeah.
Wow, that is decadent. Very refreshing. And very good.
Thanks again, everyone, for joining us here on this Disney Stranger Adventure here at World Food Trucks. Did everyone enjoy their food today?
Yay!
Thanks again, and please, guys,
Don't forget to walk forward and backwards.
and backwards, have a great one.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel.
And walk forward.